everyone, welcome to Pour Painting with Ron. I hope you've been well since the last time we saw each other. Well, this is actually the same day that I did my last video, and I had lots of paint left over, so I thought I would use some of that up and do another painting straight away. If you missed the last video, it was a variation of a Dutch pour in a starburst pattern, and I'll put a link to that one at the end of this one if you'd like to see how I did it. But I thought I would do another one today, just varying the combinations of colours a little bit, using white in my centre instead of black this time. Now I don't have as big a canvas as I did last time left, so I'm just using a 40cm by 40cm thin edge canvas today. And just like last time, I pre-painted the edges, because with this technique you don't always cover the edges with the painting. So paint them first and then do the rest of your painting. Alright, just like last time, I'll just run through the colours again. I'm using Amsterdam paints and extreme Sheen paints, mixed 1:1 with paint and Floetrol, and then adding enough water to get a nice runny consistency that you need to do a Dutch pour. If your consistency is too thick, you can't blow it out using the blow dryer. So the colours I'm using today are titanium white and black oxide, and I'm using this lovely blue, primary cyan, and I also mixed it up with a little bit of black to make a nice navy colour. And then I'm using turquoise blue, and then the extreme Sheen colours are 24 karat gold. This one is sapphire, and then the deep sapphire. Lovely colours together in a painting. Alright, so let's get started. So, here we are. Space is at a bit of a premium because I got my other paintings sitting here underneath my food net, waiting to dry. So I've only got this itsy bitsy space. So I've got my canvas here, sides already painted, and I've got my leftover colours here. Now the consistency, where's one I can show you? It's quite runny. So if I pour it slowly off the spoon, I don't know if you can see it, it barely leaves a mound, maybe a tiny little mound. And if I do a little swirl shape with the spoon, the bump stays there only about half a second or so. So as I said, if it's too thick, then you're not going to be able to blow the paint out with your blow dryer. Now last time, if you saw the last video, I put black in the center. Today I'm going to just change it a bit and put white in the center. So, see if I can find the middle, more or less. May not look like the middle to you because of the angle of the camera. Camera tends to stretch things out a bit. Alright, so there's a little puddle of white in the center. Now last time I started with the really dark colour. Will I? Yes, I might. This is the deep sapphire. I'll still have colour left over. And then I'll put this lovely cyan. I'll put a little bit of black. Not a huge amount. Don't want the black taking over. Then, what will I do next? Maybe the gold. I don't want to blow the gold over the edge of my canvas. And then maybe just a bit of the navy. I don't want the painting too dark. and then perhaps the light blue. Will I use it up? Oh, I might. That's used up. Ooh. And I might put a bit of white. And then I'll use this metallic sapphire. I might actually put a little bit here as well. Because it's such a lovely colour. It's more or less used up. And then I still have heaps of colour left over. This lovely navy. That one's used up. I might just spread it a bit with my palette knife. There's a fly buzzing around. Alright. Now hopefully it works again this time. Alright, now I'll just get rid of the air bubbles with my torch. Now the blow dryer, I'm using the cool setting and the lowest heat setting, and I'll use the lowest fan setting as well. Okay, wish me luck. Turn my canvas around because I can't blow dry in different directions. I'm not that clever. Looking good. With extreme sheen, metallics really make lovely effects. This one. just fix. Okay. Ooh, that's another lovely one. All right, I'll just give it a bit of a torch. Okay. Yeah, that one is lovely too. Now, the last step is to go around the bottom edges just to scrape off any drips, because they look unsightly and they can pull paint off your canvas as well. So, not sure if you can see, but yeah, I didn't cover all the sides. That's why it's a good idea to pre-paint those. The rest of the paint will go flat when it dries, and it will sort of all blend in. So, and the last side. Now, I haven't wasted any of my paint. The leftovers I can just cover over with a bit of plastic wrap and use them again in another painting. They last for ages. So I usually like mixing up a bit more than I actually need, because it keeps. And the last thing you want is to run out of paint or not have enough on your canvas. So it's better having too much than not enough, if you get what I mean. And my mind is just brimming with more ideas of things I can do with these colours. I love this colour combination. I think I prefer black in the centre, to be honest, but yeah, you can use any colour you like in the centre. Don't put too much in the middle, because then you just end up with this huge spot of colour in the centre of your painting. You may run towards the middle again a little bit as it dries. But just sort of hair in there. But the shimmer of the extreme sheen is lovely. Okay, well, it's done. I'll bring you in for a closer look. Hopefully you can see the painting. Bring you down. Don't know if you can see the shimmer of the metallic, but it's really, really lovely. The combination of the blues with the gold I just really like, if blue is your colour, yeah, it's awesome. So what did you think of that one? I think it turned out really well, and yes, as I said, my brain is just brimming with ideas of other possibilities I can do with this technique. Well, I hope I've inspired you to give this technique a go yourself. Feel free to comment in the comments below. I always read everything. Feel free to join my Facebook group as well and share your work there with the other members there. I've put a link to my Facebook group in the description of this video. Now, as usual, if you like what you see today, please take a moment to press the like button. Helps my content get found in YouTube land. And if you'd like to see more of my videos, please take a moment to subscribe. So I hope you have a really good week ahead, and I look forward to seeing you again next time. Happy painting!